Hello guys, welcome back to Coins Tutor, your number one YouTube channel for crypto education and updates. It's your boy Simina here with another banger video, and on this video we're going to be talking about how to trade on ByBit, Gate.io and Bitget. Now in the previous video, which I actually did before this one, I talked about how to buy on Binance. Now I dedicated that video alone on how to trade on Binance spots because it contained a lot of concepts which actually, if I wanted to add these other ones, it would be actually long, and I don't want my videos to be unnecessarily long. So in that video I talked about what buying and selling a pair is, then the kind of pairs we have, and then what an asset looks like when you bought it, like the fixed the unit of the pair is, this asset is usually fixed, then the value of course which is under it, how it fluctuates to the up, to the down, what that means. And then we looked at how to buy at market price, and then how to sell, buy limit and sell limit. Now in this video I'm going to talk about these three exchanges together, how to do the same thing across the three of them. It is just the same thing across all exchanges. The difference is that on different exchanges they are just different terms, like different interface, but it's the same thing. That's why I'm going to look at doing the same thing across different exchanges. It's also going to give you an idea of what they look like when you're doing the same thing across these three exchanges. But before we delve deep into that, don't forget to give our YouTube channel a thumbs up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share the YouTube channel link with your friends and family, and subscribe. Okay, that's the least you could do for us. So now that you're on ByBit, this is ByBit account. The first thing you have to do is create ByBit account, have it verified using your BVN or valid ID card. After doing that, you fund it. Don't stress yourself about funding, because I'm going to be talking about that in subsequent video. But for now, we are going to talk about how to buy and how to set a buy and sell limit. Okay, so on ByBit we have two kinds of wallet. We're already in it. So you click on your assets when you open ByBit, right? If you click on your asset, you're going to see two kinds of accounts. Of course, if you want to see all your assets, you can go ahead and click on assets here, and your assets will show here, right? But it won't show you what kind of wallet they are in. So just leave it on account. Now, when you're on asset, remember you clicked on asset to come here. You're going to see two kinds of accounts. You're going to see the funding, and you're going to see the unified trading account. The funding, then the unified trading account. Now, for you to trade first, right? If you don't understand what trading, buying or selling a pair is, go back to the first video. I'm not going to explain that here. Okay, I don't want a necessarily long video. For you to buy a pair, we're going to use Ton USDT as an example. For you to buy Ton USDT, right? You need to have USDT in your funding wallet, your unified trading account or wallet. USDT must be here. The USDT you're going to use to trade. If you don't have any USDT here, you're not going to be able to trade. If the USDT is on your funding wallet, you won't be able to use it to trade, to buy a coin. So you need to transfer it to your unified trading account. How do you do that? As you can see, we have $11 here. Let's click on this, so you see this arrow. I clicked on arrow. You can see I have 11 USDT here, but it's actually on funding wallet. We need it to be on unified trading wallet. How do you do that? You transfer it. To transfer it, simply click on transfer. Remember, you're on asset, so click on transfer. Right, when you click on transfer, you choose whatever you're transferring. Yours is not going to show USDT because probably it's a new account. Mine is showing because I'm used to transferring that. So just in case it doesn't show USDT you want to transfer, you click on this place. When you click here on this search bar, this is ByBit's procedure to trade. So this search bar, you type your USDT, right? You type USDT. So when you type USDT, you're going to do max, like you want to transfer everything, or you type manually into this box. So I want to type manually, I want to transfer $11. So I would type the 11, then confirm. And remember, since I'm transferring, I forgot something. So transfer, let me go back to transfer. All right. Remember, whatever you're transferring from has to be up. The account you're transferring from has to be up. Then the account you're transferring to has to be down. Also, you can click on this to toggle the in between both accounts. So it was unified trading account I transferred from. So then it had to be up, then unified had to be down. I input $11 here. I clicked on confirm and the USDT went to unified trading account. So as you can see, the unified trading account is now having the $11 balance. This is the time I will now be able to trade whatever I want to trade. So now we want to trade proper on ByBit. So now that you've transferred the fund from funding to unified trading, what you do now to trade is click on trade. You see where I'm highlighting, click on trade. So click on trade. You're gonna have so many things pop up. Just keep clicking on next or got it or whatever until it clears up. That's when you're a newbie. Okay, so clear it off until your page looks like this. Now, when your page looks like this, you're going to select the pair you want to trade. So to select the pair you want to trade, you click this place. This place I'm highlighting, you click that place. It is turn we want to buy. So you click here, boom. When this page is up, you click on this place I highlighted. Click here. Then you type TON, the ticker. Whenever you're trading any pair, any coin you want to buy, what you type is the ticker of the coin. If you don't understand what ticker is, the video where I talked about how to trade on Binance, every detail you have it there. Okay, so you type ton, it is ton you want to buy. Since it is USDT you want to use to buy ton, you choose this pair up. As you can see, ton has different pairs down. It has this, it has this, it has this, it has this. But those you're not interested in those ones. You want to trade the ton USDT pair. So you choose ton USDT, this one that has spots under it. You see the spots written under it, right? So you click on that pair. When you click on that pair, it's going to bring you up to this point where you have this page like this. Remember, I said we're going to do how to buy by market and how to buy by limit, how to sell by market and how to sell by limit. So this is going to be on buy. When we want to do sell, we'll click here to switch to sell. Now, since we want to buy by market, this place, the order type is showing limit. We need to change it to market. How do we do that? We click on this small arrow here. When you click on it, it brings you different options down. So you click on market. So you click on market. When you click on market, it's gonna bring you up to this. Hold on, guys. So let's continue. So when you click on market, right? When you click on market, remember we clicked here, we want to select, we want to trade by market order. We clicked there and we clicked on market. So when you click on market, it's going to pop up here. You now see market here. So what you have to do is to impute how many units of USDT you want to trade with here, right? The amount of USDT you want to trade with, you're going to see it here. Now on Binance, the balance of USDT was showing somewhere down, somewhere around there. But this one is now showing somewhere up. You can see the difference, just difference of different interface, but it's the same thing. So we've chosen our market order. That's what we want to do. You put the 5, let's say we want to trade with 6. On any exchange, you cannot trade with less than $5. Okay, so we want to buy with $5. We impute $6. We impute the $6 here. You now hit your buy button. Click buy button. Boom. Our order has been taken. We bought by market execution or market price, this is a current market price, which of course fluctuates. So after buying an asset, what happens? You look at the asset section to see what it looks like. So this is your assets. Click here. When you click here, it's going to be still in your unified trading account. So that's where you're going to click on to see your assets. Whatever you buy, whatever assets you hold, you have like from trading, is going to be in unified trading account. So let's look out for it. This is a ton. We bought 1.1 unit of ton. So that 1.1 unit of ton is going to be fixed, it's stagnant, it does not move. What fluctuates is the value of the ton, which is 5, as you can see, 5.96 USDT. The price could either go up or come down. It could go down to zero, it could go down to $1,000. It is a value that grows. The unit of the ton itself does not grow. So that's the coin we already bought. Let's go back to trading. So we bought a pair, now we need to sell a pair. Before you sell a pair, you already have the quote. Okay, so the quote, sorry, you before you sell a pair, you already have the base. Before you buy a pair, you already have the quote. So the base in this sense is ton, which we bought. So we cannot talk about selling ton if we hadn't bought already. So we want to sell the ton we already bought. So we click on sell. We want to sell by market order. Since market order is, oh since market order is already here, we still leave it at market order. So draw this, the quantity you want to sell. If you draw this to the end, you're going to be able to sell 100% of your holding, right? Which is, of course, what we can see here. You can see your balance here. If you don't want to draw to the end, if you want, you can impute manually. You can say, I want to sell 1 ton out of what I have, and you input your 1 ton there and still sell. But I want to sell 100%, so I draw to the extreme end, then click on sell ton. Sell ton. Boom, I've been able to sell ton by market execution. So that is how to sell on ByBit, buy and sell on ByBit, right? Now, let's talk about buy limits. So in a limit order, you have a price in mind, but that price must be above, in a buy limit order, you have a price in mind, but that price must be below current market price. So current market price, which we are seeing here, is 5.15. That's the price at which 1 ton is currently selling for. So we want to buy, let's say we want to buy at $4. That means we are saying if ton starts selling at $4 per coin, we want to buy there, but price is not there. We want to buy there when price gets there. What do? You set an order called buy limit. So to set a buy limit, you have to be on buy first, then you need to have limit showing here. How do you do that? Click on this small arrow. When you click on that small arrow, as usual, it shows you different limit options. So you click on limit. It shows the different orders. You click on limit. That's the one we're interested in. So when you click on limit, right, the price you want to buy, your entry price, your price for that limit, that buy limit order, you're going to impute it here. Remember, we said we want to buy at $4, so you put that $4 here. Then the quantity you want to buy is not going to show. It doesn't matter. When it's going to show is when you impute the how many USDT you're buying with. So let's say we want to buy with we have $11 in our balance for USD. So let's say we want to buy with $6. So put $6 there. Now you'll be able to see how many ton you are going to be able to buy. So let me explain what this means. It means you're giving the market an order to buy for you, buy ton for you when ton starts trading at $4 per ton, and you're telling the market, I want to trade with $6. Then the market is now telling you that your $6 is going to be able to get you 1.5 ton if ton starts selling trading at $4 and I buy for you. So you now be able to say, fine, this is fine by me. What you now do after inputting all these details, you say buy ton, hit the buy ton button, hit again, and your order has now been placed. Your order is going to be here pending when market price gets to $4. The moment market price gets to $4, your order is going to be picked and you're going to be in that trade. And when you're in that trade, your profit or loss starts counting. Okay, but as long as market price does not hit $4 per ton, it's not going to buy for you. It's going to be there forever. Okay, so I'm not interested in leaving this order, so I want to cancel. You hit the cancel button and all that. So let's talk about buy sell. Okay, sorry, sell limit. So in a sell limit, it means you already have that token before you talk about sell or sell limit. Now, as we can see, we don't have ton. We already sold off the ton we have. So let's buy it on again before we're able to set a sell limit. So how much? Okay, let me switch it back to market because I want to buy instantly. So market imputes how many USDT you want to trade with. Let's say $6. Buy, boom, we bought. So we want to set sell limit to sell this ton when market gets to a specific price, and the price must be above, sorry, the price must be above current market price. Okay, so in the case of buy limit, the price must be below, but in sell limit, the price must be above current market price. Current market price is 5.18. So we want to set a sell limit. So as usual, what you do, click on this small arrow here, then click on limits. Right now that you've clicked on limit, let's say we want to sell ton at $100. That's, we are saying if ton starts trading at $100 per ton, the market should sell for us. So here we delete the price here and impute our $100, right? Delete, put your 100 there. Then how many units of tons of this your ton balance would you want to sell? You can either impute that manually here or drag this auger to the end of this place. So I'd like to drag because I want to sell everything. So if I drag to the end, this place is showing you something. Do you know what it means? It means what you are going to get if market price gets to this point and all your holdings is sold off. You are going to get $115. That's whooping. So after setting all that parameter, what do? Hit the sell button and confirm sell ton. Boom. So your order has been set pending when Stone starts selling at 100, trading at $100 per coin. If Stone never gets to that price, your order will never get triggered. It's gonna remain like that forever. But if price gets to that point, it's gonna be triggered and you're gonna get your $115 profit deposited in your wallet, whether you're asleep or you're awake, wherever you are. But I'm not interested in this order, so I'm going to click on cancel. So cancel now. What I'm going to do, let me sell off the ton above because I don't want to hold it. This is just for demo sake. Okay, we need to switch back to market because I want to sell right away. So switch this to 100%. I want to sell off everything I have. Sell, confirm, sell again, boom, we've sold off. So this is how to trade on ByBit, guys. So the next thing I want to look at is how to trade on Gate.io. Let's open Gate.io. I hope this training is going on well. I hope you're enjoying it. Okay, Gate. We're not going to do much on Gate.io and Bitget. Everything we've done on ByBit is just the same thing. Buy market, buy limit, sell limit. The only thing I'm going to show you is the interface because you need to see the different interface across the three exchanges. Okay, so there's nothing new, actually nothing new. Oh, this one is requiring, I updated it, so I'm logged out. Okay, I thought I'm logged out. All right, I'm not logged out. So this is Gate.io. It's open. Now you want to trade, right? If you want to trade, what you do, just as always, click on your trade here. You open it, click on trade. So when you click on trade, you can see the interface is almost the same thing, just a little difference. There's nothing much, just a little difference. Okay, so let's not use ton again. Let's use another pair, another coin. So when you get to this point, you want to search for the coin you want to buy. Remember, searching for the coin is the ticker you are searching for, like the short name, TICKER, ticker, the short name. Every coin has a short name. So it's a short name you're typing on top of this place, just like every other exchange. So you click on that place, you click on this place, then you type, if it is ton you want to trade, you type TON on top of here. Say TON. So ton. see turn on top of here, turn USDT, you click on it. But turn USDT is not what I want to trade. I've used turn USDT for Binance trading demo and used turn USDT for ByBit trading demo. Now I want to use different thing, ETN. Is this even a signal to you guys? I don't know. You may see it as a signal. You may go and buy ETN if you want. It's not a financial advice, but it's a huge project, very huge. So I typed ETN, and what I want to trade is ETN USDT. So click ETN USDT. Right now, I want to buy by market. So if I want to buy by market, I click on this place. So click select market, right? So if I select markets, I forgot to free USDT here. If I select by market, I impute here how many USDT I want to trade with. Let's say I want to trade with 5 or 6 USDT. So this is where I will impute it. If I impute it, then hit buy button, is going to buy, right? After buying, if I want to sell, I click the sell side of it, still leave it at market. If I want to sell instantly, draw this to the end, like I want to sell everything I have, or manually impute here how many units I want to sell. Let's say I want to sell 1000 units, so manually impute it here, then hit the sell button. I'm going to be able to sell. Then to check my assets to see where they are, you click on this part, assets as usual, right? So when you click on assets as usual, you click on sports. This one is almost like Binance. So you click on spot. When you click on spot, you're going to be able to see your asset here, right? Your asset is going to show here. And this is what trading on gate.io is. Now let's do buy limit and sell limit on gate.io. So to set a buy limit on gate.io, you already know you should be on the buy angle of your centralized exchange. So here you click here as usual to select the limit order. You can see the limit order here. So you click on it, right? When you click on it, that price you want to buy ETN is going to be here. Of course, you know, in a buy limit, your price should be more than, like, below current market price. This current market price. So let's say we want to buy ETN at 0.001. So this is where you have to impute that price. Let's delete the old price there, put 0.001. That's the price we want to buy ETN. So you impute, let's say we want to trade with $100, you impute the $100 here. You click here, you impute $100. So when you impute $100, it's not going to show you how much ETN you'll be able to get if price gets here and you buy with $100. So it's showing that you're going to be able to buy 100,000 units of ETN at this price, trading with $100. So that's what a buy limit looks like on Gate.io. Let's switch to sell and then do a sell limit. So in the sell limit, you're still going to leave it to sell limit. Of course, you know, before you set sell limit on ETN USDT, you already have ETN you are holding, and you want to give the market an order saying, if you get to certain price, sell for me. Now the price here, which is going to be your exit price, the price here has to be higher than the current market price. So let's say we are projecting, by way of knowledge, forecasting that ETN is going to get rise to 0.5. So, and we want to set a sell limit. We want to tell the market to sell for us when price gets to this place. So you're going to type that 0.5 there. Okay, so when you type that 0.5 here, you will impute, remember you must be holding ETN, you impute how much of your holding you want to sell off. Now your balance is going to, on gate.io, your balance shows down just like your buy on your Binance. So if you're already holding ETN, the balance would be showing here, right? So that's it. So let's say we want to sell at this price 0.5, and we are holding 100,000 units of ETN. That your unit of ETN you want to sell, this is where you can impute it manually. Let's say 100,000. So this place is now showing you how much you are going to get if you sell 100,000 units of ETN at 0.5. You are going to get a whooping $50,000 profit. That's huge, guys. So that's how to set sell limit on Gate.io. After inputting all that parameter, you hit the sell button and the order is going to be below, showing down here, just as this BTC order is showing here. So that's your Gate.io. That's how to set buy limit, sell limit, and buy by market on it. The next one I'm going to show you is how to trade on Bitget. So let me open my Bitget account. All right, guys, so this is Bitget, and let me show you how trading on Bitget, what it looks like. So if you're on Bitget exchange, centralized exchange, just as always, what you need to do to trade here is to click on your trade. So you hit the trade button, and when you do that, it's going to bring you to this is what the interface looks like. Okay, so you're going to choose any currency pair, any pair of your choice you want to trade. Let's say we want to trade Ethereum, so you click on this up, right? On Bitget, just like Binance, the balance shows below. Okay, I have 20 USDT here, so let's say we want to trade okay, let's use BNB, Binance native coin, BNB. So you type BNB up there, and we want to trade BNB USDT. Okay, so you want to buy by market order. This place has to be by market. It's already at market. Yours might not be there because you've not been trading. Mine is there because that's the last thing I did. Just in case yours is not showing, you click here as always. If it brings up, you click on market. So you want to trade with, let's say, $10. So that $10, you impute it here. Okay, so 10, then you click on buy BNB. Boom, you're going to be able to buy. So if you want to sell, you click on the sell angle. Then you should impute either manually how many BNB you want to sell here, or you draw this, you toggle this to the end to say you want to sell 100%, and you hit the sell button. Boom. Okay, then you want to sell buy, you want to set a buy limit. You already know how to set that. It's just different interface. You click here as always. You remember where I clicked? Let me just highlight. So click here as always, right? Then choose your limit order. Okay, impute the parameters. If you want to buy BNB, let's say BIB, I want BNB, the current market price is 576. Remember, buy limit, your entry price should be up below your current market price. So okay, we are even at sell. Okay, so buy limit, current market price is 576. Let's say we want to buy at 500 when BNB starts trading at $500 per coin. So where you're going to have to impute that price is here. You delete this price here and impute yours. So impute 500 there, right? Then the how much you want to buy with, you impute it here. Let's say we want to trade with 1,000. So you impute your $1,000 here, if that's what you want to trade with. If it's $10 you want to trade with, you impute the $10 here. So it's now showing you that if you are buying BNB at $500 when it's trading at $500 with 10 USDT, you're going to get 0.02 BNB, and that parameter is okay. You now hit your buy button. Okay, so let's now talk about, that's a buy limit. Let's now talk about a sell limit. Like presumably you already have what is it called, you already have uh, what is it, sell, you already have BNB, right? So to set a sell limit, you need to be on the sell angle, then your limit order has to be there, just as always. Let's say you're projecting that BNB, in, of course, in a sell limit, your entry, your exit price should be above your current market price. So you're projecting that BNB is going to be trading at $1,000 anytime soon, whenever. So you impute that $1,000 here. It's going to serve as your exit price, right? So after imputing it there, So here you're going to choose how many quantity of BNB you want to sell. If it's 100%, you just toggle this to 100% as usual. Then you are going to click on sell. All right, so let me, just for emphasis sake, let me impute manually since I don't have any holding, for emphasis sake. So see what this let's say I have 5 USDT, right? 5 BNB. So, and I'm telling market sell for me at $1,000 when current market, when BNB starts trading at 1,000, sell for me at 1,000. And I'm assuming I'm holding 5 BNB and I want to sell all my 5 BNB. See the 5 BNB is showing here, right? Then the market is now telling you that you're going to get $5,000 if your 5 BNB is sold off at $1,000 per coin when market price gets there. So guys, this is how to trade on ByBit, centralized exchange, Get.io, centralized exchange, Bitget, centralized exchange. On across these 3 exchanges, we've been able to talk about how to, buy by market price, how to buy, sell by market price, how to buy, set buy limit, how to set sell limit. And on Bybit, I also taught you how to transfer funds from the unified trading account to the funding account. And I also taught you that you cannot trade with, if your USDT is in funding account on Bybit, you cannot trade with it until you transfer it to the unified trading account. That's where you can trade it. And I taught you that if you choose a pair that is a coin that is paired with USDT, you cannot buy that pair if you don't have USDT. And if you already choose a pair and you want to sell that pair, you cannot sell that pair if you already don't have the base as you're holding in your asset. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, send these videos to your friends and family, encourage them to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because subsequently Timmy Nagachi, your boy, is gonna be bringing banger videos more like this your way, and you don't want to miss out. In our subsequent videos, we're going to be talking about other things on our training. This is just the first day on our practicals. We have a lot coming your way. Just stick around, check our YouTube channel. You can also join our WhatsApp community. The link is going to be in the description. And previous videos that I made before this one is also, the links of these previous videos are going to be in the description. Just in case you're a newbie, you need to watch these ones first before you understand this one. If you don't watch just ones first, you actually gonna struggle understanding these ones completely. Okay, I love you guys, and I'm saying have a very wonderful day. Bye.